Yes, today matter has come up in terms of the order passed by this court on 21st May.
Right.
So any
The
alteration
matter-
of situation
My lord,
as
matter
on
is,
date,
my lord,
any alteration of situation with regard to investigation as on date.
my lord, investigation is going on pursuant to your lordship's direction. He has already given his voice sample. That is one part. And my lord, investigation is still on.
So then let me extend the interim order which was passed previously.
My lord, I am telling your lordship, this matter, my lord, your lordship will find the offences are make out. Your lordship has
Offences are
made out. Your lordship has gone through the complaint and your lordship's observation in the interim order. Your lordship has observed, my lord, yes, this is a case where cognizable offences are made out.
I have held.
It is our submission, but some observations are also there by your lordship. If your lordship sees your lordship's order. So your lordship kindly fix a date tomorrow, day after, any day your lordship.
No, I will extend you conclude the investigation fast. Issue.
Only, my lord, I have one can, my lord. Can one, my lord, seeking permission to travel abroad, my lord, because there is an embargo by your lordship that I should.
Let can application appear under the heading application in the monthly list of August.
And my lord, in that matter, my lord,
Today,
No, my lord, it's not today. I'm asking, my lord. I had earlier requested your lordship's desire was that it will appear in the monthly list of July. But thereafter, my lord, we mentioned this matter for voice sampling, my lord. It was not taken up. If I may request, my lord, if a date, if Friday, any day, it may be
There are
taken up.
several reputed eye clinic
My
in
lord, I
our
have
city.
been treating myself, my lord, since inception for long, my lord. I have all the, my lord, I'm led by Mr. Banerjee.
and I am telling your lordships, number of matters the court has.
When investigation is
Yes.
going on,
Other matter also, not only this matter, other matter is heard by Malasis Chondo. They are also direction to cooperate with the investigation. Same.
Just
No, no, but there is no embargo that I can say.
just hear me for
What
1
is he
minute.
saying?
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I'm sorry. It just ran in. Well, two parts to this whole situation. Right?
Well, application I will hear separately. Let the interim order be extended.
Yes, my lord.
Application let it
But
appear
that
under the heading-
cooperation bit, we've done it already. The cooperation bit, we've done it already, my lord.
Mr. Banerjee,
Yes, madam.
unless and until investigation is complete, if it is a medical issue which cannot be addressed at our city,
Can I just
it
say
will not permit.
No, my lord. Correct. Just hears me for 1 minute. What? Just 1
There
minute.
will appear before the head of the ophthalmology PG
But-
that your eye issue cannot be addressed by
That is not a.
by an hospital or eye institute in Kolkata.
May I just tell your lordship? Here, whatever your lordship indicates, just one thing, my lord. First of all, my lord, may I just address one issue that I have cooperated, not so far as I is concerned. I'm addressing the other one. The other one, my lord, they had filed a can. In that can, my lord, it was said that we are not cooperating because of voice sample. That issue is long gone and it's dead and over. So first, let me rule out one. That is over.
No, please go on cooperating.
There is no doubt about it.
Yes.
I have been called
Only
twice.
they have cooperated
my-
pursuant to your lordship's direction. Your lordship
If
forced
your
them to go.
health issue is such
Yes.
that no treatment can be
I'll
administered.
come to that.
No, I'm coming to that. I don't
No,
have
there
so
are
much
two
time
things.
to hear you from the
Well,
beginning.
two
Yes,
things, my lord.
your
I've been
Mr.
served with
Banerjee,
notice
if
twice.
Mr. Banerjee,
I have.
if your
one
health
feedback.
issue is such
Yes.
that it cannot be addressed,
For the last 10 years,
it
I've
cannot
been
be.
going.
It cannot. Maybe you may have been going for last 20 years, but
No,
but
specifically-
in view of the present scenario and present situation,
Yes.
only court will send the court will permit you to go abroad for treatment
Yes.
if health issue is such which cannot be addressed or treatment cannot be administered in Kolkata.
To this, I'll answer 2 points. One is that they've called me once till today. Other than the voice sampling issue, they've called me once.
No, there are several issues. At this stage,
that is one. That is one.
at this
There are
stage,
several issues and there are several matters also.
here is the ophthalmology.
But the next part, your
Ophthalmology,
lordship hears me once.
SSKM hospital.
Diplomatic passport.
Are you ready to appear before the head of the ophthalmology SSKM hospital?
But hear out the main
But
application.
I'll take, my lord, your lordship keeps it on Friday. I'll take instructions and I'll come.
Matter was mentioned on several occasions on the point of
But
urgency.
your lordship is
I'm
trying to
hearing
send me
this matter.
somewhere where my lord, right to life also includes my right to choose.
No. It is also the court's whether the court will court has to pass an order to satisfy its conscience. So, in order to satisfy the
Gives
conscience
me-
of the court,
Gives
let the petitioner,
gives me
Mr. Banerjee,
passes
appear
over
before
for
the
one.
head of the ophthalmology.
Passes over for
I
1 hour.
will direct the SSKM hospital
My lord,
to,
passes over for 1 hour.
constitute a medical
Medical
board
code, yes.
headed by head of ophthalmology.
Yes.
Mr. Banerjee, I was standing counsel for a long period of time of Medical
You're
Council of
very well
India.
aware.
So you are in a different court, there will be difficulty. So yes,
Just pass it for
I will
1 hour.
direct SSKM
Give
hospital
me 1 hour.
to constitute a medical board. He will appear on a particular day and particular time. Let a report be placed before this court and let me go through the report.
First, let
Yes,
them
But
ask the
there are many,
That your eye problem is such that unless and until you travel abroad, no treatment can be administered.
Just a minute, my lord. I'll just take one instruction. Give me 1 minute.
There is no harm passing this order. Your lordship can always pass. We are
That I
agreeable.
always
We
can
are
pass.
agreeable.
For that no instruction, your instruction
No,
is
I have just one thing, my lord.
my lord,
Let the lordship hears me on merit on my application.
Then the main application should be heard.
No, my
Main application.
how can he decide?
Main application. No, how can you decide?
Of
You
course,
choose-
it
you
is
cannot
my
choose
application.
which application
Of
will be
course, it is
because-
my application.
because today was the date
The
fixed.
court has
Today
the
was the
right
date
to
fixed.
allow or reject. Either or. So, my lord, your lordship would hear my application, whatever it is, with a limited issue. I have only one issue. One point that I have a diplomatic passport.
Well, today it is appearing under the heading to be mentioned.
Lordship.
Yes.
So very well, I am fixing application in the monthly list of August under the heading application, and in the meantime, I am extending the interim, which was passed on 21st of May.
I
Yes, sure.
appeal for the de facto complaint. My lord, one thing I have to
Alert.
submit
Yes.
over here.
In terms of the order dated 21st May 2026,
I think the lower court
matter is
proceeding.
matter
Whether
is
your lordship
matter
granted
is
the-
accommodated in today's list under the heading to be mentioned. Stop. Mr. Rajdeep Mojumdar, learned additional advocate general, submits that investigation is going on,
He has
and
to.
petitioner, pursuant to the order passed by this court in another writ petition, being WPA.
Which one, Muller?
CRR.
In a CRR. application.
CRR.
We will keep the number right now.
But
I just give the number.
But at CRR 2583 of 2026.
pursuant to the order passed by this court on criminal revisional application being CRR 2583 of 2026 on 10 July 2026, cooperated with the investigating agency
Grateful.
and appeared before the jurisdictional magistrate,
Kindly record
Or-
no untoward incident has taken place there. Your lordship's
giving
observation.
voice sample.
Yes.
Yes.
For no untoward incident has taken
Yeah,
place.
for giving, that's why they are not saying anything.
Yes.
For yes, yes, that is
Police
not
is
an
always
issue.
being
But
blamed.
for giving voice sample. I am not recording for giving voice sample. Stop. Next.
That was the order.
Petitioners, de facto complainants are represented by learned advocates. Yeah, yes, Mr. Banerjee, you are appearing for
the de facto complaint, my lord, de facto complaint.
the petitioners and de facto complainants are de facto complainant de facto complainant are represented by learned advocates. Stop. Next paragraph. Since investigation is going on,
But the affidavits.
since investigation is going on, since till date investigation is not complete, comma, interim order passed earlier on
21-5.
21st May 2026 is extended thirtieth November
No, no.
till 30th November
Before Puja vacation. We can hear out this
My
matter.
lord, before
There
Puja
are-
vacation, my lord.
before Puja vacation, this court will
Lordship,
also have
it's a very short matter. Well, it
It
will
is
not
very
take
difficult
time.
for us to come.
Well, it will not take time. They have challenged.
Basically, my lord, this is not a
mention-
matter for quashing.
Let them
But
mention.
this is not a matter for quashing.
All ingredients of the offense are there in the FIR itself.
Of course, we would demonstrate.
This is not a
otherwise,
fit
we
case
don't
for
waste time.
quashing, my lord. So, this is not a fit case for quashing.
Well, till 30th September 2025.
Kindly
30th
fix a
September,
date.
Full, my lord.
Matters are coming. That's the main problem. Till 6th October 2026 or until further order, whichever is.
Kindly fix a date for hearing. My lord, my humble.
Only thing is that your lordship would indicate that I have asked for.
No. Your application will be taken up separately.
Yes.
Just-
My lord, just
Yes.
And my lord, kindly
your
reproduce
lordship
paragraph.
understands. Otherwise,
No. Since
seem
you
as
have,
if
Since you have made an application, it has
Yes,
to be.
yes, yes.
My lord, kindly, before
This
that,
is
my lord,
can 2 of 2026.
Can
my
one.
lord, before that, my lord, kindly reproduce para 15 of your lordship's order, my lord. Kindly see,
I know, I have injuncted.
no, that petition has to cooperate with the investigation.
My
Para
lord,
15
my
your
lord.
lordship's order. Kindly reproduce.
I have extended the interim order. What
Yes,
does it
that's
mean without that part?
Yeah,
The
how can
interim order means my lord, not to take any coercive action. So,
No,
but the other,
it means the whole thing.
my lord,
Huh.
let it be 15 may be reproduced.
Beryl, order passed on ওইখানে দেখো ওইখানটা
It should be followed in letter and spirit. What?
order passed on
Definitely, this
দেখো
goes
যেখানটা
without
extension
saying.
করলাম।
By all, my lord.
Everybody
না,
knows
interim order না, order passed on
Everyone knows
21st May
everything.
what
2026
circumstances you have
stands
given voice
extended.
sample.
Or কি বলেছি বলো?
Everybody knows what is happening inside the police stations also.
Interim order টা order passed on 21st May 2026 তারপর কি বলেছি?
Yes, yes.
My lord, kindly
Yes,
record
I
one
just-
thing, my lord.
My lord, records
My
by.
lord,
Next paragraph,
Yes.
since an application, next paragraph, an application is taken out by the petitioner being can
Can one to one.
can এই application
one,
আছে এখানে can one টা দেখো তো একটা can 2 দেখতে পাচ্ছি
But one answer.
এটা 2 can 2 for what?
Can do for vacating them. It is their application, which is effectively become.
Now this vacating application has become infractuous
Infractuous.
because that was he
yes,
was
yes,
not appearing before the jurisdiction magistrate for voice
That is the
for
reason.
giving voice sample.
That is the reason. That is the reason.
But he is not appearing before the even the learned court below also. That is my instructions.
My lord, he is taking
An
advantage of
application,
situation.
next paragraph.
My lord, he is not attending.
An application is taken out by the petitioner being can 1 of 2026 for modifying conditions fashioned by by this court on 25 fashioned by this court while passing order dated 21st May 2026. Stop. Let this application appear under the heading application in the monthly combined list of August 2026. Stop. Next paragraph. However, application filed by the state respondents being
let,
can
let that be there. Let that be there because there's some demo which we would raise.
being can 2 of 2026 stands disposed of since it
Well, we file an objection because this
Let it
the
be
de facto
pending.
complaint- de facto complaint has filed something inside that. We'll show to your lordship, my lord. Let it be there.
Let it be, my lord.
Let it be there, my lord.
Let it be there. No problem.
Yes, I'm absolutely.
no, it's a non-cooperation. Already court has passed an order.
My lord, I think Mr. Bhattacharya has something to say.
Your lordship, kindly take that can 2 with the main petition. my lord.
Application being can 1 of can 2 of 2026
Please say I'm authorized by the de facto
My lord,
complainant.
the police is saying this is filed by the de facto
by the
complainant.
state filed by the state of West Bengal.
My lord, sign the first
State
binder.
of West Bengal is disposed of since petitioner cooperated with the investigating agency,
But pursuant to your lordship's direction, kindly record that.
cooperated
No,
with the
no, no.
Yes,
investigating
yes,
investigating agency
Yes.
in terms of the order dated
Yes.
10 July 2026 passed in criminal divisional application being CRR 2583 of 2026 and on appearing before jurisdictional magistrate gave his voice sample. Stop.
Just one thing, my lord. My lord, just looks at paragraph number 1 of can 2. This, my lord, it's very serious. Paragraph number 1 of can 2. My lord, just has
Next matter.
Lordship, kindly record this, my lord, taking advantage.
My lord, we want to file an objection to this, my lord.
I have not heard it on merit. I have extended the interim order. Sorry, I have heard this matter minutely and thoroughly. Today matter. Sorry.
You are not attending the lower court.
Sorry.
He has no idea of what the law is.
Investigating agency is there. Investigating agency is there. If petitioner does not cooperate, investigating. I have granted the investigating agency state respondents. You have not read the order 21st May 2026 that if petitioner does not cooperate with the investigation, it will be brought to the notice of this court.
I'm not, my lord, on the cooperation. I am on attending the proceedings.
Please call the next matter.
Because he not in the-
My lord,
Please
my lord,
call the
my lord.
next
My lord,
Yes.
yes. Just tell your lordship only one thing, my lord, over here. The state is saying that they are instructed by the de facto complainant.
And it's on
How it's on affidavit, my lord.
Yes, please call the next matter.